Tired of loose dentures and messy adhesives? Most denture patients think they'll have to deal with gluing their teeth in the rest of their lives, but there's a better solution. Hi, I'm Dr. Travis Wills, and today we're exploring why implant overdentures might be the perfect solution for your dental needs. We'll dive into how they work, their advantages over traditional dentures, and what you can expect during the process. Before we start, I would be grateful if you would like this video and subscribe to our channel. It's a little thing for you that really helps us. Okay, let's jump in. So what are snap-in implant overdentures, and how do they differ from traditional dentures? Let's break it down. Implant overdentures are removable dentures that securely attach to dental implants placed in your jawbone. This provides much more stable fit compared to traditional dentures. Say goodbye to the discomfort of loose dentures and hello to the stability and confidence in your smile. Ever wonder how implant overdentures are placed? Here's a step-by-step guide to show you the process. Step 1, implant placement. First, we'll place 2 to 6 implants into your jawbone. These act as a foundation for your overdenture. Step 2, the temporary denture. While the implants heal over 3 to 4 months, you'll wear a traditional denture. Step 3, finalization. Once healed, we'll attach abutments to the implants and your custom-made overdenture will snap securely into place. So why should you consider upgrading from your old dentures to implant overdentures? Here are just some of the amazing benefits. Benefit 1, improved stability. They eliminate the need for messy denture adhesives, giving you the confidence to eat and speak without the worry of your dentures slipping or even coming out of your mouth. Benefit 2, improved quality of life. Enjoy your favorite foods again, laugh freely, thanks to the secure fit of your overdenture. Benefit 3, bone preservation. Implants help maintain your jawbone density, which traditional dentures can't do. And bone loss only gets worse over time, which most patients don't realize. That means the longer you wait to get your implants, the more issues you may encounter. Benefit 4, easy maintenance. Cleaning your implant overdenture is straightforward, making oral hygiene a breeze. Just pop them out to clean them. Thinking about getting implant overdentures? Here are a couple of important considerations. Consideration 1, healing time. Keep in mind that there's a healing period after implant placement, usually 3 to 4 months, during which you'll wear a temporary denture. Consideration 2, maintenance. Although your overdenture is removable, it will still require routine care and regular checkups. Consult with a qualified dentist like me who specializes in implants to see if this option is right for you. In summary, implant overdentures offer a fantastic alternative to traditional dentures, providing stability and comfort. Ready to explore this option further? Reach out today for a free virtual consultation to regain your smile. Thank you for watching.